3D Graph. How to use the tool. Browse 3D scenes organized by subject and find related scenes. Insert into mozaBook. Insert the current tool content into your exercise book. Let's find out how to use the 3D Graph tool. This is the central 3D scene, which is linked to numerous other 3D scenes. These sticks represent the number of related 3D scenes. When you click on one of the related 3D scenes, it will be displayed as the central one with other related 3D scenes. You can move 3D scenes in the relations diagram in a group or separately. Use the mouse wheel to zoom in on or out from the relations diagram. Click on this icon if you want to see the default view displaying all the relations. Click on this button to turn off automatic arrangement to mix and group certain 3D scenes the way you want them. If you rearrange the 3D scenes in the relations diagram, you can always click on this button to reset them to their default position. Select a light or dark theme, depending on light conditions. Click on this icon to see even more related 3D scenes. Click on this button to open the 3D menu, where the 3D scenes are organized by subject. Search for a specific topic to see related 3D scenes. Click on the arrow to exit search mode. Click on the 3D scene at the center for more options. Click here if you want to share the 3D scene. Share it on Facebook, create a shareable link, or send it via email. 3D scenes added to favorites have a yellow border and are added to your mozaWeb user account for easy access. Click on this button to see a short description of the 3D scene. Click here if you want to select from all the available categories. Click at the center of the circle to go back. Click on the play button to open the 3D scene. You have plenty of options to choose from in a 3D scene. Insert 3D scenes into your exercise book in several ways. Let's insert one now as a large icon. Insert the relations diagram into your exercise book. Visit our website for further information on mozaBook tools.